How to add a shortcut on Google Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome as your default browser on your phone, either Android or iPhone, and I want to set a particular shortcut, let's say something like this, on your phone, so they can easily click on it and open the shortcut straight away, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add a shortcut on Google Chrome on Android or iPhone, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Then once you open the Google Chrome app on your phone, visit the website whose shortcut you want to save on your Chrome browser. So let's say this is the particular website whose shortcut you want to save, iPhone Tour. Then once you visit the website, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right. Then here, the next you want to locate is locate Add to Home Screen, and click on that. Then go ahead, give this a name under create shortcut. You see that? Then click on add. Then you spot that says add to home screen. Do you want to add it by one or not? If yes, click on add. Then you should see added to home screen. Then go back to your phone home screen. Then you should see your shortcut here. See that? Then if I click on it, it's going to open the web page straight away. So that is basically how to create shortcut on Google Chrome. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.